Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Earlier in different videos, I shown you that how to use transpose feature within MS Excel. Now in this particular video, I'm going to share you another tip related to transpose, and that is advanced transpose. So without wasting much time, let's get into the computer right now to understand what am I talking about. Okay, so now if you follow my mouse, you can see there is a data set available here. There's one table and there are some data for month of January to June for all 4 weeks of those months. So if I need to swap between rows and column, right, we can use transpose feature. So let me show you the simple step first. You can copy by pressing Ctrl C in Windows system and Command C in MacBook, and then you select one of the cell where you want to paste the data, and you go to Home tab. Try to find out this particular icon, that is paste, and there is a drop down. If you click on that, there will be multiple different options. Here one option is there, that is transpose. If you just mouse over, it will show you the how data will be pasted. Here you can see that rows and columns got swapped. So if I click there, then this particular data will be available. So what's there? So earlier the January, February and the month-wise data was there in the rows. Now those are in column. Now, one thing is there, this is a static data we copied here and pasted here. So if I change anything in the February, instead of 20, I make it 200, then this data is not changing here. So this is a static one. So now the option I'm going to show you, that will have a dynamic update also. Let me show you how can you do that. So again, I'll select this particular data range, and there I will press on Ctrl C to copy. Then where I need to paste, I'll select this particular cell, and then I'll come to formula bar to type a formula. So let me type equal, then transpose, and then I open the bracket, and then the data array I select, and then I close the bracket. And now before pressing enter, what I'll do, I will press Ctrl Shift Enter. Then you can see this particular formula got changed. It's now changed to a different formula. And if I hit enter, now a new table got created. And this is advanced transpose. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Earlier we changed the data in February from 20 to 200. If I make it 2000 and then I hit enter, you can see February data got updated here. So this is advanced transpose. This will be very, very useful whenever you are preparing a maybe Excel dashboard and you are maybe taking some data from one of the tab, and in the main dashboard you are going to represent in a different way, and you want a dynamic update there. So this particular option will be very, very useful. So what I'll do, this particular command, whatever I've written here, so only thing you need to do, you need to remember this particular command equal transpose. But after you close the bracket, then remember only one shortcut, that is Ctrl Shift Enter, and it will work like a magic. If you want to learn more such MS Excel related tips, I have a full course available. Please check in the description below for the required links. So hopefully this will be helpful and you will be able to use it in your day-to-day work. If you learned something new today, then give this particular video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye for now.